guys, welcome back to my lesson number 3 named as plugins. In this lesson, you will get to know that everything about plugins. In my previous lesson, I have explained you everything about themes. In my starting of this module, I have explained you everything about WordPress dashboard. So if you are someone who is directly jumping on this particular lesson, so please watch my previous modules too to get your ideas clear regarding website development. Okay, so let's move on. What is plugins? Okay, so I have found many people, they are still confused regarding plugin. What are the plugins? Okay, so moving forward, I'll explain you what are the plugins. Okay, WordPress plugins are PHP script that extend the functionality of WordPress. As I have already said you that if you have to create something unique but it's not available on WordPress dashboard, like you have to create a login page and registration page for your website, then this function is not available in WordPress. But this particular function is not available using WordPress. But plugin will provide you such platform which can create a login page, registration page, etc. and many more for you. Okay, so in short, if I say, then plugin is something which extends the functionality of your WordPress. It's an add-on for your website. Okay, and it is also written in PHP script, so it is something already written for you and you don't have to work, just you have to install and move forward. Okay, that enhances the features of your WordPress or add entirely new feature to your site. Plugins are often developed by volunteer and they are usually free to public. Plugin is usually free for us. Okay, it does not charge a great amount, but for more specific features you have to pay for plugins too. But normally it's free for us. For a very basic work, it is freely available to us. But if we want more extensions to us, we have to pay some amount to a plugin. Okay, plugins are available via WordPress plugin directory. Now, do you know where is the plugin session on our WP dashboard? If you have watched my first lesson, then you must be knowing where is the WP plugin option on our dashboard. Still, I'll show you. Okay, so moving forward to my dashboard. Hey guys, so we are welcome back on our dashboard and this is the session plugin. So we can install many plugins using this sessions. Okay, you can install, you can add, and you can also edit your plugins also. So see, you got variety of options. You just have to have the basic knowledge and you can go for creating your website for free. You don't have to pay thousands or lakhs of rupees to any person to create your website. Okay, so now see, this is your plugin session. These are the recommended and very popular plugins. Okay, plugins are something which I already said that it's an add-on to your WordPress dashboard which adds the features, which adds more functional features to you. Like if I want to have, for example, I want a slider on my page. So how can I get the slider? So there are some slider plugins too, but the one which is my favorite is, I'll show you. It is Smart Slider. It provides you a slider for free and it creates variety of options for you. Okay, you can create an image background on this slider and you can click on that thing and it will take you to a page. So these are the kind of plugins which you can create for your website. Okay, so now I think that you are aware about plugins too. Okay, now I think that you are aware about themes, plugins, and you can create your website. But still guys, you are not educated properly. To educate for free, do watch my videos till the end. Okay, I again repeat, to watch my videos till the end to educate yourself to a very professional level. If you still have any doubts regarding plugin, do comment in the comment section.